Okay, what I'm about to show you is an Animesh hair razor system I made because Zooby said they would come out with a salon chair or something to store the hair in, but I can't wait. I'm impatient, so I made my own. Basically, it's just a shelf, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to rest one out, and it's basically a shelf, and the shelf itself is 3 prims, and each one of the little frames where the hair is going to go is 1 prim. So this whole system together is like 15 prims. It's really easy to use, and the way you use it is, I'm going to use this here because that's the hair I have out right here. You edit the prim, and then you drag your Zooby hair from your inventory to the contents of the prim. Now this has no text on the razors, so you won't see anything show up. There is a hover text version that will tell you what is in the prim with hover text. I don't like hover text, so I added both versions. Okay, so then you just click the picture and it comes up, the hair comes up, and you can wear, update, whatever. And basically that's it. You can delete the hair after you're done putting it on your baby. And because the hair is copy, it will stay in this prim, and you can just res another copy whenever you need it. So this hair is 13 prims. Most of the hair is between 6 and 13 that I've seen so far. That's a lot of prims, and if you're like us and you like to leave your hair where you can see it and so it's quickly accessible for your baby, this works really great because instead of having to leave this whole hair base out, that's 13 prims, now you can get rid of it and you have a 1 prim frame that will res your hair whenever you need it. To add your baby's picture to the frame, and I left these pictures because these are the hairs my baby owns, you click select face when you're in edit mode, and I'm going to use one of these frames up here on the top, and you drag a photo from your inventory. These are some photos I took yesterday, and go to texture and you click on the little white box. You drag a photo to the texture box, and you can edit this and make the picture bigger, smaller, whatever, and use your repeats to get it into focus into wherever you want it, because different hair and different pictures are going to take different amount of space. So yeah, and that's the way you do that, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, it saves a whole lot of space, and I'm gonna sell it really cheap because I know Zooby will come out with one that's gonna be like 100 times better. But until they do, this is helping me, so I figured maybe it might help you. Alright, thanks for watching.